Hey guys, it's Erin. Today I'm continuing my Disney nail art series with these nails inspired by The Little Mermaid. This was definitely one of my favorite Disney movies growing up, and this was one of my top requests, so I'm really excited with how these came out. I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. And the first nail is going to be inspired by Sebastian, so I'm starting off with a light blue base. Then I'm taking this red acrylic paint and painting a C shape for his claw. I'm making the claw thicker towards the center and then adding a line straight down for his arm. Then I'm just taking a darker red and adding two little lines as some details to kind of divide up the parts of his claw. And finally, just applying a top coat. The next nail is inspired by Prince Eric, so I'm starting off with a neutral base that matches his skin tone. Next, I'm taking a royal blue nail polish and painting a pretty thick horizontal line across the bottom of my nail for his pants. Then I'm taking a small brush and white acrylic paint and I'm painting a V shape, and then I'm going to be filling that entire part of my nail in with white for his shirt. And then finally, I'm painting a stripe of red to divide up those two sections. And applying top coat. The next nail is inspired by Ariel, so I'm starting off with that same neutral base for her skin tone. Then I'm taking a medium purple polish and doing 3 dots down each side of my nail for the sides of her seashell bra. Then I'm taking a small brush and creating 2 triangle shapes that meet in the center. While that's drying, I'm taking a green nail polish and painting a chevron shape at the bottom of my nail for her tail. Then I'm taking a lighter green and adding another chevron to the edge of that, making a little wider at the sides. Then I'm taking a dark purple and I'm outlining the details of her seashell bra. And taking a deeper neutral and adding her belly button. And then I'm just finishing with a top coat. The next nail is inspired by Flounder, so I'm starting off with a yellow base. Then I'm taking a medium blue polish and just painting his stripes. It's kind of hard to describe what shape these are, so I would recommend looking at a reference picture, which I did for this. I'm making the top one the largest one, and then as they go down, I'm going to be having them become smaller. Then I'm just finishing that nail with a top coat. And finally, the last nail is inspired by Ursula, so I'm starting off with a light purple base. Then I'm taking a black acrylic paint and I'm going to be painting a sweetheart neckline along the side of my nail. And then 2 lines coming down from the other side of my nail for the chain of her necklace. Then I'm adding a yellow dot in the center for her seashell on the necklace, and taking a darker yellow-orange to create the swirl of the shell. And finishing with the top coat. So those are the Little Mermaid inspired nails. I really hope you guys enjoyed this design. I'm really happy with how it turned out and I think they're really fun. If you want to see more pictures and read more about this man, you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.